Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to look at the clipboard and how we can use the clipboard to solve problems in Excel. So before I continue, I want to find out from you, when was the last time you used the clipboard? Personally, I don't remember when I used it, but today I discovered something fancy about it, and that's what I want to share with you in this video. So the clipboard is actually a place where all your copied items or cut items are being saved for future reference, and it's available in almost all the Office application. So to access it, you just go to the Home tab. You see we have the clipboard here. When you click on this button here, the clipboard will be expanded, and that's where you can see all your copied items. And it can store or save up to 24 items that you copy or you cut within the Office environment. Okay, so I'll close it and show you one way we can make use of the clipboard. So here I'm going to copy this data. Okay, right click and then copy it. So if I forget to paste this data and I begin to type something here, you see that the broken lines around the data is gone now. So if I press enter and then I try to paste this using the right click option, go to the paste, you see that we don't have that option to paste the item that we copied. So it means that the copied item is lost. Okay, but when you go to the clipboard, you see we have the copied item here. So anytime I want to make use of this item, I can use it anywhere within the active workbook or even a different or a new workbook. So here, if I want to paste the data here, I just select the cell and then click on it. The data will be pasted for me. Okay, so that's one way we can make use of the clipboard. Now let me show you another way. So let me clear this and let me show you another way we can apply or make use of the clipboard. So I'm opening to a new workbook where I have data for the past 5 years. So what I want to do is to combine this data into one and then analyze it. So you can use the Power Query to do it, or you can use VBA to copy and then combine everything for you. So here what I will do is to select the whole data by using Control A and then Control C to copy. I'm not going to paste it. Okay, I'll go ahead and copy for the second year. So select everything and then copy. Go to the next one, select everything and then copy. And then select everything, copy. And finally select everything and copy. So I'm going to open a new sheet. So this way I'm going to combine everything. So what I will do, I'm not going to use Control V or the paste option directly. I'm going to the clipboard. So I will expand it. So now I have all the 5 data that I copied. So what I will do is to use this option, paste all, and then see what happens. So I'll click on it. So now if you check, you could see I have all the years combined for me. So if I scroll down, you see I have for 2017. If I come down again, I have for 2016. If I come down here, I have 15, and then I have the 14 data being combined into one. So this is about how we can use the clipboard to solve some typical problems in Excel. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day.